right, 2020 Nissan Rogue. Gonna change out the air filter. This is how you check your air filter. Just pop this on, pop this one right over there, and you just lift this cover up. You lift the filter up at the same time, then you look underneath that bugger. Hold on, let me. There we go. Flashlight's on. And you look under there, and it's dirty. Okay, so lift up that cover, grab this filter, yank it on out. This is the new filter right here. I'll put one in the description below. This lady wanted an aftermarket one, save her a few dollars from the Nissan. Boom. All right, and you lift the cover up again. Shove that bugger in. Gonna need both hands. Put on in, no problem. It's in all the way. It'll be sitting down properly like that. And you got these little slots and nubbins. They got to slide together on the back, so you get them to line up. And then this guy will click right down into place again. No problem. There you go. I'll put the parts in the description below. Just click the link. Peace.